fault against Dad.
Good morning. This is cause number 2007-29049 in the interest of Waverly and Marie Stevens. All parties, please raise, and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help you God.
I do.
Okay. Ma'am, let's see. Ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
My name is Kim Yvette Stevens, and I'm Waverly's mother.
All right. And for the state?
Angela Jeffries for the Office of the Attorney General.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent is Eddie Parker Jr. He's not present.
He's not young.
We'll note that Mr. Parker was personally served on February 27th, 2021 at 11:10 a.m. at 8709 Fringewood Drive, Houston, Harris County, Texas. And he's not filed an answer, is that correct?
He is not young.
Further, he was given notice of this Zoom hearing by certified mail, return receipt requested. And this has not been delivered yet, has it?
Your Honor, the tracker would show that it actually was submitted to him, I believe, scheduled for delivery shows about April 10th. Notice was left, no authorized recipient available, and then it was returned because it was unclaimed. So it was sent to him.
All right. And we will indicate that there was attempted notice of Zoom hearing. By certified mail, return receipt requested. No. And so it was unclaimed. We'll proceed by default.
Thank you. The state calls Natasha Bidu. Ms. Bidu, where are you currently employed, ma'am?
The Office of the Attorney General, Child Support Division.
And what is your position there? I'm sorry.
Child Support Officer.
And what is the nature of your responsibilities and duties as a child support officer?
One of my duties is to investigate and report wages for non-custodial parents.
Okay, and have you received any special training to calculate child support in compliance with the Texas Family Code, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, and have you calculated child support in this matter?
Yes.
How much is Mr. Parker's gross income based on your investigation, ma'am?
$30,185.03 per month.
Okay. And what percentage did you apply in this case?
20.
All right, and what is his net resources, ma'am?
Net resources is going to be $2,601.23.
Okay, and what was the guideline amount for child support calculated in this case?
Child support at $520 per month.
And that should be
medical support of $100.
Okay, and both of those should begin June 1st of 2021, ma'am?
Yes.
I have nothing further for this witness, Your Honor. I'll pass the witness.
Ms. Stevens, do you have any questions of Ms. Bidu?
No, I do not.
All right, you may be excused, Ms. Bidu.
Thank you.
All right. Call your next witness.
Your Honor, at this time, I would actually ask that you take judicial notice of the prior order that was signed on September 7th of 2007 In that order, the court ordered Mr. Eddie Parker Jr. to pay $290 for child support beginning September 1st of 2007.
All right.
This time, Your Honor, I offer into evidence what is marked as State's Exhibit A, the updated pay record in this case.
All right. Do you have any objections to me look at the pay record, Ms. Stevens? All right, then State's Exhibit A is admitted.
Thank you, Your Honor. The state calls Kim Yvette Stevens. Ms. Stevens, you're the mother of Waverly Ann Marie Stevens. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. And how old is Waverly?
Waverly is 14.
Okay. And you heard that I read into the record that the last time child support was addressed in this case was in 2007. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, it is.
And that Mr. Parker was ordered to pay $290 for child support. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, it is.
And today you're seeking an upward modification of your child support. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, it is.
Okay. And you're also asking the court to enter a judgment against Mr. Parker in the amount of $9,576.43 as of April 30th, 2021. Is that correct?
That is correct.
And you're asking that the court also order Mr. Parker to pay $75 on that judgment as of June 1st, 2021.
That is correct.
Right. And you understand that the medical support judgment is showing as 0 and the dental support judgment is showing as 0. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Now, as far as private health insurance, do you have any private health insurance available for Waverly?
No, I do not.
Do you know if Mr. Parker has any private health insurance available for Waverly?
No, I do not.
Okay. And so you heard the child support officer testify that a cash medical will be set in this case in the amount of $100. Did you agree to that, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. And you also heard the child support officer testify that the guideline amount based on Mr. Parker's income should be $520. Do you understand that, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And if court costs are billed in this case, who do you believe the court should bill those court costs against, ma'am?
Mr. Eddie Parker.
Okay. And you've already signed this default order. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, it is.
And you believe this order to be in the best interest of your daughter?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And you don't have any personal knowledge if Mr. Parker has any other children under 18 at this time. Is that correct, ma'am?
No, I do not.
All right. I have nothing further for this witness, Your Honor. I pass the witness.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.